Good morning guys, thanks for joining us. This is going to be a very quick video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a standard Android tablet or iPad. In this case it's an Android tablet I got from Amazon for about, I think I paid about $90. And this tablet is connected via Circon mobile terminal to the SCC-410. And you can view some of the data in the SCC-410 or whatever data you bring in from the networks into SCC-410. So it could be, any type of LAN works data, Modbus data, and BACnet data. That's going to BACnet driver is going to be coming out very shortly. So it gives you a great way to interact with your systems using your standard Android tablets or Apple tablets or any other tablet that you have. So I'm just going to show you some of the basic screens here. I have defined a couple of buttons here. So this is, I'm trying to show you, this is a screen where I show you where you can interchange Modbus and LAN data using the 410. I showed you some gauges, some temperatures. This screen here I've defined where I show the inputs. You can see the inputs of the 410 on the left hand side, and I've defined the table of the outputs of the 410. And a gauge here showing you one of the outputs going back and forth. Another screen I defined here is basically an override screen where I can test the outputs. So I'm just going to test 3 of these first outputs. I'm going to turn them on and then turn them back into auto. So you can, not sure if it's clear or not. Let me just zoom in a little bit just so you can see the some of the LEDs I've defined. So I'm just going to turn them back off. So this is actually turning on the outputs of the 410. Okay. I'm just going to go back to the main screen. Now in the later section of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a close-up screen capture of the touchscreen itself, and you'll see much more detail there. So, but again, this was a quick overview of how you can use the standard Android tablet or iPad to basically hook on to SCC-410 and interact with all the data that you can bring into the 410, whether from the network or whether its own inputs and outputs. And it gives you a very inexpensive touchscreen you can leave in the mechanical room or wherever you want. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll show you the screenshots in a bit. Okay guys, so these are the screenshots I was telling you about. I've made a recording of the touchscreen itself. This is an input-output table I made for the SCC-410. And next, let's go to a VAV page I made quickly. Here's a picture of the VAV. I made some controls to override the VAV to different positions. Let's go back here, and then this one, this is a translation page I made where we can interconnect LAN or Modbus. Let's go back to override some of the outputs in the 410 in this example. So I'm going to start with output number 1. I'm going to touch it and you'll see it'll turn on and I'll turn it off. You should be able to see my touches on the screen as well. And then we'll turn on output number 4 here. So it turned on, I'm going to turn it off. Again, quick examples just to show you an overview of things. Okay, please drop us a line, give us your feedback. Thank you.